Hi and welcome. Today I will be showing you how to make the bottom of the head for the frog stacking toy. It's somewhat complicated for some, I have noticed, so just to get how you push it in. But I will show you this part, and you will need a cotton yarn and a 2.5 mm crochet hook and a stitch marker, depending on your preference. I will use another yarn in this project or in this video just to make it easier to show you what I'm doing. Don't forget to subscribe and let's begin. Okay, so you will start by doing a magic ring. And in that magic ring, you will make 6 single crochet and then you will pull it tight. Make an increase in each of the stitches you have, so increase times 6. Begin with your third and you will make 1 single crochet in each stitch all around. Completed that, you will do round 4 where you will single crochet in one stitch and you will increase in the next stitch, and you will repeat this 6 times. Each stitch for both round 5 and round 6. And when you have completed that, you will do round 7, which is 1 single crochet in 2 stitches and then increase, and you will repeat that 6 times. And then for round 8 and 9, you will make 1 single crochet in each stitch all around. for round 10, we will make 1 single crochet in 3 stitches and then increase and repeat that 6 times. And for round 11 to 13, we will make 1 single crochet in each stitch all around. And now that you have completed that, we will work in the back loop only for this round. We will make 1 single crochet and then increase in the next stitch. I'm only working in the back loop. This will create the fold of our head that we fold inside to be able to put on top of our stacking toy. And for the next round, we will not be working in the back loop only. We will be working in a normal stitch through both loops. And you will make 1 single crochet in 14 stitches, so 14 single crochet, and then you will make an increase, and you will repeat this 3 times. And once you're done with this, you see that you get this little almost hat shape. You will now continue to work around for round 16. You will make 7 single crochets and then you will increase in 1 stitch, and you will do this 6 times. And after we have completed this round, I will show you round 17, which is 1 single crochet in each stitch all around. And then I will show you how you push the bottom of the head in and how you continue to work around to build up your head around your bottom part of the stacking toy head. Now you can see where you made your stitches in the back loop only. And this part down here is the one you will press in. So just simply press it in up until the round with your stitches made in the back loop. It should look like a little sombrero or hat or something. And now the head will build up around this bottom part to make the frog look nice and neat and round while still maintaining the hole at the bottom. So you simply continue to crochet around following the pattern, and if you need the pattern, it is available at my website for free. So you will just continue to crochet around following the pattern, and your head will work up around this bottom part. If you made the frog stacking toy, I would love it if you tag me on social media so I can see what you made and share and repost. And when you're going to sew your eyes on, make sure that you sew all the way around. And the little cheeks as well. Sew them where you want them to be placed. That's all up to you. It's a preference thing. And when you stuff the head, make sure you keep your thumb inside the little cone that goes on top of the stacking toy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and your frog stacking toy and spread lots of yarn joy with it. Bye!